So quickly, we are showcasing another sari series which are with 30% discount because people who could not, come to the studio just missed on them. So for my patrons, overseas patrons, and patrons who could not reach out to me till yet, so for them, that is the series. So, so the first I start first. These are a little high ranged saris which are a steel deal. I mean, in 30% discount they are just steel deal. So this is a dhania khali sari with Sozni embroidery. This is a dhania khali sari with the Sozni embroidery, and Sozni is from Kashmir. The fantastic work which we do on pashmina, pure pashmina. So that kind of a work, that kind of a work. Can you see the work? Can you see the work? The embellishment? See the work. Absolutely stunning. So this is workmanship for 3 months. This is one sari takes 3 months to get finished. So that's the work. See, this is the work. This is totally, there is an ikat border. So that's the work, upper border. That's the lower border. That is the lower border. So that both the borders come like this, upper and lower border. Extremely beautiful and elegant sari. So that's the whole sari. The whole sari has this small motifs, and the lower part, the lower motifs like this, and the lower motifs like this. So I mean, so the both, and it's a I mean, the smooth and fluidic texture of this handloom cotton, you will be just too impressed with. So that's a Pedana Kalamkari blouse we have teamed up with the sari. That is the blouse, and this is the sari which we have. See how pretty the sari and the blouse. So it was for 10800. After discount it is 7560, and with plus shipping. After discount the sari price is 7560 plus shipping. Initially it was 10,800. So first sari. The second one is a Vidarbha Tussar, pure handloom Vidarbha Tussar. Vidarbha Tussar, everybody who's from the handloom world would know the elegance of Vidarbha Tussar. So this is with Warli painting. Very, very unique kind of a painting, and that too, you would not get to see such a Warli, because we have teamed the border color. We have infused the border color. This is the border color. This is that Karvati Kinar, the, see the back, this back, so you know that it is a Karvati Kinar, what temples. So that's the fully laden hand painting on the palla. So the colors, this green and magenta, pink and magenta, has been picked up from these colors. So the whole layout is being done through that. And so this is the whole body. This is the whole body of the sari. Beautiful small people, the folk people are there, layout like that. Very, very artistic and a very royal sari. Very artistic and a very royal sari. So this is also in discount, so I'm only very surprised, and that's a fantastic weaving on the border, very unique one. And this is the blouse piece. So the blouse piece has a back painting, so that's the layout and the blouse piece back, and these are on the sleeves. Extremely beautiful sari, and very unique, very artistic. See, my color, my neck piece is matching so well with this. Okay, so the price of the sari was, the sari is priced at, the MRP is 12800. After 30% discount it is 8960 plus shipping. It's a steal deal, so whoever wants to pick up can pick up. Okay, 8960. It's a very, very traditional Bengal Gorud, Lal Pad Shada Shari, which we always, see my mothers, see my Mashi, Pishi, all the aunties. And so this is basically little stiff because of the fact that it has, the yarns are initially the yarns are starched and then they are woven, so they are also called the paper silk. But nowadays you get Gorod which are soft ones, so this is actually not the soft one. This is the original variety, the original Gorod which our parents used to, our generations to come. So they had been wearing. So this is the body. So what I have done is I have given a block embellishment in the body. These are also with hand block done. These are also with the hand block designs. And this is a palla. This is a palla. These lines are woven, and this inside part is blocked. So this gold part, the inside gold part is hand blocked, and so this is the whole sari, and this will get soft. This will get soft. I mean, you go for a normal wash, and you can actually do a home wash. So I mean, these saris absolutely, because my our mothers and whoever earlier they used to wear these things always did a home wash, and they, gradually this gets softened. So this is our so this sari is teamed with this modal silk blouse, this modal silk ajrak modal silk blouse piece. So this is a very unique combination of the Gaurav and ajrak. So that's what the styling is all about in Modpong design. So the price of this sari is 8700. The MRP price is 8700 sari and the blouse. And now after 30% discount, it is 6000. 6000 you get the sari and the blouse. And this is absolutely silk. This is satin border. This is that woven, the temples, and that's the body. It's a pure silk. It's from, you can read Gaurav in Google and Wikipedia, and you can get to know that what exactly is Gaurav silk. Then we come to another, this Assam handloom cotton sari. So this is a fantastic wine color Assam cotton. So the palla is like this. The it's a meenakari border. The meenakari border of this color combination. That's the whole palla. That is the whole palla. Majestic palla. This is a majestic palla of the sari, and very nice color combination. Very nice color combination. It looks like silk because the short color of the body just gives a very silky look, and that's the lovely handloom cotton. Lovely handloom cotton. Bright and beautiful. Very nice. And that's the blouse piece. So the blouse piece has, this is the blouse piece where the blouse piece has a border like this. So there is, you have to cut the blouse piece from this. So this border will come on your sleeves as well as on your back. And the price of the sari, MRP value of the sari is 6300. After 30% discount, it is 4410. 4410. Actually. So again, a steal deal. 4100. Sorry, 4400. 4410. I mean 4400. And these after discount, the sarees will basically the shipping I charge 200 outstation. So, and also nowadays the shipping charges have gone really high. So, and so that is the problem. But then I have kept the same shipping pricing. So this is another. It is a tussar by cotton. This is a tussar by cotton material with a kantha embellishment like this. It's a tussar by cotton material with a, it's again a handloom material, absolutely soft, nice handloom material, very soft. So that's the kantha on the palla. That's the lovely kantha on the palla, and the whole body has this hand painting. This veil, this actually comes out from Madhubani. Madhubani represents Madhubani, but they are not that intricate Madhubani. But then that these kind of. So that's the concept. That's the whole sari. And that is the pleat part. So the pleat part have these vines, floral vines till your knee, and so that's the, and see how quickly you can do the pleating and everything. So it's a very soft and very nice sari, and a very elegant one. And this part, this is your blouse piece. This part is your blouse piece, so that will come on the back, and so yeah, so that design will come on the back only. I don't think sleeves have any design. Yeah, so it's a back design on the blouse. So the sari is MRP value of the sari is 5750. After discount, it is coming to be 4,000. 5750. After discount 30%, it's coming to be 4,000. A Sindhi kadhai sari in Puneri cotton. So this is this Puneri sari. This is a Narayanpet border Puneri sari, which has this Sindhi kadhai on it. See how beautifully this neck piece is again matching. So that's the whole palla, where this we get this Sindhi kadhai like this. It's a very beautiful palla, and this sari was actually created many times because of the color because of the choices. People just loved it. So that's the pleat part. So that's the pleat part. You can actually pick up these saris for personal use or for gifting. Everybody will enjoy. Whoever loves to wear saris will enjoy. So that's the pleats. That's the pleat. So the sari, the front part of the sari is plain with this kadhai on the palla, and that's the pleat section. Lovely pleats part, and we have given this blouse. So this blouse is a rust color. So this is steaming. So there are work on the sleeves and on the back. Work on the sleeves and on the back. So this sari is priced, the MRP value is 4500, and now it is 3150. 4500, now it is 3150. You know, the saris are coming at the, you know, at the cost of the blouses, because there are websites who sell blouses about 3 4 5,000. So the saris, the whole sari with the work with the blouse is coming to be at that price. So I think it's quite a steal deal. This is only one pasapalli I have. So this is that border, checkered border, very very famous traditional sari of Orissa, very very famous. So, and lovely sari. So this again, lal red color, lovely red color. That's the palla. That is the palla. Amazing red color. There is non-starchy, and again non-mercerized cotton, non-mercerized, nat pure cotton. These are not the mercerized yarn which will limp, which will you know, lie limp on your body. No. So that's the lower border with this kind of ikat temple and this ikat pattern, and so that's the upper part of the border, upper border. That's the whole sari has this small lovely hand woven buttas motifs, and the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. Generally these saris don't come with blouse piece. So earlier to definitely they never had any blouse piece. Nowadays so that's the blouse piece, and that's the sari. So this sari before discount it was 7740. Now after discount 5418, 5400, 5418, 5400. Again a steal deal. One only kalamkari available, khadi, this cotton khadi. So that's again that you know, today's this so got sold off on the Chanderi one. So this is on cotton. This is on cotton and khadi, and this it's again this Krishna Kalia Daman, where the story goes that, you know, this Nag, Kalia Nag was you know, was residing in Yamuna river, and it was polluting the river like anything, absolutely with the, you know, with its poison. Everybody, whoever was going into the river was dying. So and so he basically you know, did the, you know, I would say what, detox, detox of Yamuna river by, you know, killing this you know, snake, and by taming the snake, or whatever the mythology is. And so the people got relieved, and Krishna also, it's a good over you know, evil win kind of a thing. So it is the whole, the sari is like this, the whole complete sari, and that is the blouse piece. So very pretty and a very smart one. It's a hand spun, hand woven khadi from Bengal. So khadi sari. So the price, all the original price of the sari is 9350. It's after discount, it is coming to be 6545. 9350 after discount, it is coming to be 6545. Okay, plus shipping. And coming to the second last sari, it is a munga tasar, actually not muga tasar, it's a munga silk from Bihar. So these silks are very very soft and nice. They are like one kind of replicating the tussar silk. So these are munga yarn from Bhagalpur. So this is the sari, and very pretty and a very smart one. This is a complete party wear, I would say, a party wear, a majestic one. So that's the palla, that is the palla. Fascinating one, see, and completely hand painted. The whole palla is hand painted, beautiful hand painting. That's the block part, this is the hand block. And so this has a cross border you know, color combination. So the blue, and this is also hand shading, the body also has hand shading. So this blue part goes and becomes you know, becomes more, so that, you know, inside it becomes more of blue, less of beige. So that is the combination. So it's and a very soft, and absolutely softest of the soft sari, and it's a pure silk. So that's a combination. So we have given a blouse which can make it rich and nice, and this block, whichever is coming here, is coming here. So the price, this sari was priced at 11,800. 11,800. After discount, it is coming to be 8,260. 11,800, 8,260. All these saris I'm giving out in discount because they are single design available. These are all fresh, and these are all, there is no defect, no nothing, no cut and tear and nothing. It says these are all absolutely designer pieces. So thank you. Oh, sorry, the last one. So I'm left with this jute sari, red one. The blue one got sold. Only one. So this is a jute cotton. This is a jute linen, not jute cotton. So there is a jute fiber to it and a linen fiber. So this is like jute by linen, and so this is a hand block. This it's a broad this thing. This is also a hand block. It's a Jamdani hand block, revival Jamdani hand block. This is the palla. The palla has this kind of a floral pattern. This kind of a floral pattern on the palla. So that's the whole body is like this. So the palla and the body, it's like half of the body is like this, and then the next half has this machine embroidery, Parsi embroidery resembling but done by machine. So this is kind of that satin stitch that's done by machine. So it's a color combination. See the color combination, beige and golden. So that's a half and half sari. So your pleats will come from this part. The pleats will come from this part, and your front is this. And you have a fabulous looking, the main attraction of the sari is this Jamdani blouse. It's a pure handloom Jamdani blouse, semi-stitched blouse. So you get a complete makeover of the sari out of this. So that's the price. That is the blouse, and that's the sari. I hope you have a clear understanding about the sari. So the price is 7,250. The MRP value is 7,250. After discount, 5,000. 5,075 is 5,000 plus shipping. Okay. So thank you so much. Get back to me if anything you want.